So, I was, I think, in the third season of my Lakme Fashion Week, and my dad texted me on the first day, "Do you want to meet a boy?"
तेरे बदन पे लिख दूं छुपा के अपनी कोई नई दास्तां.
The first meeting was very random for me. He was everything that I didn't want in a guy. I used to talk, but with him I just didn't speak the first meeting. I was just quietly sitting and listening. All I was interested to do at that point of time was finish Fashion Week and go to Europe with my friends.
She was given parental guidance not to talk at the first meeting. Just shy, just blush, be a girl.
Arrogant. That was all that I thought he was in the first meeting, and I thought he was never interested in getting married. He was talking on the phone all throughout in our meeting. He didn't offer me food when we met. He just thinks that he's not hungry, so the whole world is not hungry. I don't know, he was just very different from me. He was really andheri basically, and I was really down.
I think to some extent she doesn't believe me, but that I had something going on in my heart, in my mind, all chemical which are happening at the same time. So yeah, that's what happened.
It's called love at first sight. You can just say
No,
it.
I don't want to say it. I don't want to
Just
admit
say
it.
it. Come on. I just know that Ayush will travel the sun and the moon to make my wishes come true. He has an ego in him that doesn't allow him to say that I want to do this for you, but eventually he does everything for me. Like, I think the last 10 months I've realized that someone really cares for me. I mean, I know that half the things he's doing, he's not even like that as a person. He just plainly does it for me. So, in the last 10 months, I have really come to know the fact that I think selecting him was not that bad a decision at all, because I know I'm going to have a happy life.
तेरी कहानी अपनी बना लूं, कह दे जो तू बस एक बार. भूला सब पाया तुझे.
He always has this habit of pouring his heart out, and somehow I think like I just keep troubling him that I want a grand proposal and I want gifts and I want the whole world to turn around. But I think every time he goes down on his knees like this to tell me what he feels for me, my heart sinks. So it's always the ideal proposal.
I love you, baby. I met you on 21st March around 4:48 p.m. I think something happened to me that day. I don't know whether it was love at first sight, but it was something really good. I think I'll cherish that moment for all my life. I want you to spend this life with me so we can have an amazing world of ours together. I've not proposed you for a good 10 months. So this is me asking you on both my knees. Baby, please will you marry me just 10 days before our wedding?
Yes, I will.